Assalamualaikum. Yet another beautiful evening in Lahore. Today is 28th of December 2025. So now New Year is just coming. 2026 is just arriving within a few days, and the biggest news in the region is that China is going to enter 2026 with a trade surplus that is worth $1 trillion. I mean, trade surplus is a valuation of exports which are already deduced through by imports, which means these are net exports. So China has net exports are more than $1 trillion worth. That's something amazing. Uh, in comparison, if you look at Pakistan's terms of trade, it is about $30 billion, whereas Pakistan's imports might be valuated at a little bit more than $20 billion. So there's lesson for Pakistan in the year 2026 as well. Understanding how China really did it, and great understanding one can develop from CPEC 2.0, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor 2.0, where work on both vertical and horizontal competitiveness has been done. What is horizontal competitiveness? Horizontal competitiveness is that upgrading the skills of the local population around the economic zones. What kind of skills needs to be upgraded? Definitely, investments in education sector and the health sector by the government, which the government is doing. The Pakistani government is diligently, investing more and more in on health capacity as well as educational attainments of the local population. Whereas vertical competitiveness would be acquired by active cluster formation, where new businesses would be formed around those economic zones, within those economic zones, and therefore technology clusters should be directed by the government. The investments, these public investments, and the foreign direct investment needs to be channeled as well. So Pakistan can then not only undertake robust domestic commerce, as what Dr. Nadeemul Haq would be saying, but as well would be looking for increasing exports which are value addition exports. So that's an interesting idea to start the new year with.